Okay. Hi, I'm Haya Bashuti from Haya's Kitchen, and this is Acquired Taste. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, I can definitely smell onions. I feel like it might be like some sort of Mexican dip, maybe. All right. Ooh. Okay, cool. This is really colorful. Let's take a crack at it. So today I'm doing my own take of this dish, and I'm kind of Arabizing it and doing a twist on balila. So let's start cooking. We're gonna take a few of the artichoke and cut them in half and just roughly chop them up. And it doesn't really matter what shape they're in. The idea is to incorporate the flavor. I'm gonna throw in the chickpeas inside, and I'm gonna pour in the artichokes. Ooh, we lost one. And then we're gonna take some of the parsley and chop it up. I actually like to keep the stems on it. So just roughly chop it, get this kind of texture in there. And also the parsley adds like a beautiful color to it, so it doesn't look too bland, and your guests will be impressed. And then we're gonna take some lemon. So I would say probably cut up 1 lemon for this quantity and then see how you feel. If you wanna add more lemon, also keeping in mind that the sumat has that kind of tangy lemony flavor to it. So you don't wanna add too much lemon and have it too citrusy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and juice this. And I like that this is an old school way of juicing lemons. I appreciate the hustle of squeezing a lemon here. Pour the lemon on top. And then we're gonna get into our spices. So I'm just gonna put some cumin, and I feel like cumin really pairs well with chickpeas. And then we're gonna take a pinch of sumac. And the sumac also adds that kind of beautiful color to this dish. A bit of salt. And then we're gonna be very generous with our olive oil. You can never have too much olive oil. Now we're gonna give it a good mix. And the beauty of this is that you can literally like prepare this in like 5 to 10 minutes. Instead of the tortilla chips that I ate at the beginning, I've paired it up with some crispy Arabic bread. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the bread from the oven. These beauties have been baking for a while, and they're nice and golden and crispy. And then we're gonna pull out the plate, pour some of this beautiful mixture in. And then we're gonna line up some of the crispy bread on the side for you guys to enjoy. So here you go. This is the Arabic version of the dip, and I'm gonna call it Haya's Caviar. Sahtin.